Mga tol, Papi din here and welcome back to another episode of Tips Review. What we'll be reviewing for today is Beck's German Beer. And it's a 5% alcohol by volume beer. And this size is 330 ml. Price point is a little less than 100 pesos per can. And this is a German beer. So in terms of design, you can see that it consistently have a three-colored design. So, and the very prominent logo of the Beck's brand is yung kanilang logo with the key here. And meron siyang green, red, and silver. And it's an important German beer, as I said a while ago. The ingredients nito ay water, malted barley, and hops. Yung hops yung pampapait nito. So, sige. Tikman natin, ano? Wow. Sobrang lamig. Just by looking at it, we can see na very pale yung kaniyang color. And as you can see, very consistent yung kanyang head, yung foam na form dito sa top. And the color is a little bit of straw to pale gold. And it is really brilliant in clarity and with an average to below consistency. So, may natin. But a little bit of low to medium aroma, and you can sense a little bit of bitterness. Man natin. Cheers. It has a little bit of sweet and malty flavor, a little bit of bitterness, and it has a light malty and hoppy na aftertaste. So in terms of mouthfeel, you can sense the carbonation lingering on your tongue. It's a very smooth and very light to very light body inside your mouth. Isa pa. So yes, yun. That's what I will review this beer. Hindi ganun ka strong yung kanyang bitterness, and it's a very light beer to drink too. The carbonation is very consistent. It has a dry finish and a little malty aftertaste. So that's for all, and I see you on the next episode of Tipsy Review. Bye guys.